December 20, 2020, when a 30-foot boat left from a Bahamas island towards Florida, and there were 20 passengers in this boat. Because this boat had decided to travel from there to Florida many times before, for this reason this journey was also absolutely normal for them. But what happened with this boat in the middle of the ocean? Was he shallow by the sea, or was he victim of a storm? If there was only an information, it was that this boat came out of Bahamas island in perfect condition. But apart from this information, there was another information as well, and that was that this boat had to pass through the Bermuda Triangle. When the American Coast Guard came to know about this, a search operation was conducted which lasted for 4 days and 4 nights in that part of sea, but there is a chance that even a part of that boat has been found.
We don't know which way is west.
Over the past 50 years, 3,000 ships and 100 planes have gone missing in a mysterious stretch of water in the Atlantic Ocean.
Ships have gone missing, planes have gone missing.
Known as the Devil's Triangle.
A source of intrigue, legend, and fear. This is the Bermuda Triangle.
So hello guys, welcome to the videos of Sankit Rautur YouTube channel. Hope so you subscribe and like the video before you are watching. We all have heard many stories of Bermuda Triangle. And the Bermuda Triangle is a large part of the sea which is actually found in Atlantic Ocean. This triangle runs from the Florida to Bermuda Island and then through Puerto Rico and ends back in Florida. The area of this formed triangle is equal to 9 lakh square kilometers. That is, this triangle is bigger than Pakistan and Turkey, which is sometimes called Bermuda Triangle and sometimes Devil's Triangle. This triangle is infamous all over the world because of its mysterious phenomenon, where while passing ships and airplanes suddenly lose contact with their base stations and they disappear forever. Till now, a large number of ships and airplanes have gone missing in this triangle. Till date, only a few of these ships and debris of airplanes have been found by the researchers from the bottom of the sea. But that too not from the place where those radars were last seen, while in other neither the debris were found nor the people inside them has been known till date. A powerful context is found in this part of the ocean, or it is inhabited by the sea monsters and aliens. After all, there is definitely something abnormal in the Bermuda Triangle, due to which neither it breaks the biggest cargo ship nor an ship has finally got the reason for abnormal activities being presented here. This matter has started. In the new Team 45, when 5 torpedo bomber aircraft of US Navy went out on mission, it was routine practice for 14 people sitting on those 5 aircraft. But as soon as they came to the area of Bermuda Triangle, ready by the US Navy radars, suddenly disappeared, and that too together because at that time only a few months had been passed since the end of World War II. For this reason, the US Navy suspected that an enemy might have sunk their ships. Another Navy aircraft was sent in search of him, but surprisingly he also disappeared from the radar as soon as he came to the area of Bermuda Triangle. And thus neither those 5 bomber aircraft nor that rescued ship could ever been traced. This was the incident after which the Bermuda Triangle was seen from the eyes of force all over the world. But about 10 years before this incident, a similar scene happened with another ship, but luckily he had managed to save his life. 19-year-old twins George and David Robert Siley were officers in American Navy. Suddenly, when he got the news of his father's death, he had to board a private aircraft and go to his hometown. Now a ship has reached the waters of Bermuda Triangle. Only 30 minutes had passed that the pilot told them that all the instruments of ship had stopped working. Neither the pilot was aware of the fuel, nor was his radio working, nor did he know in which direction he was going at this time. Both these brothers said that even from such height, neither we could see any ship nor even a small part of land. Only water and water could be seen far and wide. Meanwhile, the pilot started sweating and he fainted. But it was fortunate that the co-pilot was also present in plane, who took over the control of the plane. After a few hours of this dreadful flight, they finally saw the land, where the ship was made an emergency landing. After many years, when the Bermuda Triangle became famous for its mysterious phenomenon, then these two brothers came to know that he himself was a victim of this thing and luckily survived. In 215, a cargo ship named Alvaro was going from Florida to Puerto Rico, which disappeared from radar on the day of October 1st to Thomas safely. The US Coast Guard and the Air Force conducted a combined search operation, and after a month-long search, the Alpha Rose was found at the bottom of ocean, 15,000 feet below the surface. When the last contact was made with the captain of ship, it seems as if water has entered the ship. That was the last contact with Alvaro. During safety, Randy 3rd Fab 2 had to land a Turkish airline flight TK-183 in a Cuban city of Havana, and for this reason he had to fly over the Bermuda Triangle. But suddenly, the pilot reported to control tower that the plane was behaving absolutely abnormal, due to which pilot immediately changed the shape of plane and saved the lives of 440 passengers by landing the plane at Dulles Airport instead of Havana. Many more such incidents has came to fore in Bermuda Triangle. There were many accidents reported whose list is available on Wikipedia, but there were some incidents which were never reported till date. In the 1967, on Christmas Day, an American businessman named Knight cruised Miami Beach in his luxury yacht, but after a while the beach guard got a bad call and told them that his yacht had collided with something solid. When the guard got that there, neither he did not get an edge, nor did the bag have any names. What did it collide with in the Wala Alam Sea? It got buried forever along with the Rajpura. The hair-raising mystery of Bermuda Triangle once again becomes fresh in people's mind after every new incident. And like every time, the search for 7 places started once again to find the answer to this mystery. But this time the institution have found some solid evidence which shows that perhaps this mystery has been resolved. A team of American scientists belonging to University of Colorado made an rigorous investigation of Bermuda Triangle from the satellite, in which they got to see something that probably no one had seen before today. He noticed that some clouds are forming over the Bermuda Triangle, which are neither square nor circular, but these clouds are hexagonal in shape and their size is as large as kilometer. The expert team believed that perhaps these clouds are not ordinary cloud, but they are air bomb clouds. That is, when these strange types of clouds are formed, then very strong gusts of wind blow beneath them. 2.5 can reach 100 km family. The speed of gusts of wind is so fast that neither a plane can fly easily in them, and the waves that are formed in the water because of them, nor can have any big ship float in them. The institute says perhaps this can also be considered as one of the reasons for the accidents happening in Bermuda Triangle.